Okay, so this is yung mga process natin, how to install Google Analytics and Search Console in your Shopify store. So this is our example, Shopify store natin. And then in your Shopify account, no, you need to install itong Google and YouTube na app. Okay, how do you install an app? Just go here, apps, and then you type that in. Pwedeng dito, no? Um, click mo yung apps and then type mo yung Google and YouTube. So ito, in my example, na-install ko na. And what I'm going to do right now is connect my Google account. No? So to do that, we're going to go to Analytics, google.com/analytics, and mag-redirect yung URL dito. So okay, you will be able to see this. Sign in ka lang. If this is your first account, first time to create an account, get started today. If you already have an account, it's actually the same, no? Pero I already have my account here. Sign in ko na lang. No? And then what I will do is create another account here. Click on here. Dito, admin. And then create a new account. So I'm creating a new account now. I'm naming it Lumi Sleep. That's the brand. Okay, I'm okay with this. Next lang. Right now, property name Lumi Sleep. Ayan. And then we'll have Philippines here. Okay, yung currency natin is of course PHP. Philippine peso. Next. And then, okay, small lang. Category natin is this is beauty and fitness, no? We are selling mga sleep products. Products that will help you have a better sleep. Ayan. So ito, let's check lang all of them. If you check this, mag-uncheck itong lahat. So, check lang the 4 and then create. Accept natin yan. Scroll down. Okay, accept dito and then accept. You already have your account here. We need to start collecting data. How do you do that? Go to web. And then, lagay natin yung URL natin, no? lumesleep.ph. Okay, let's call this Lume Sleep. Create and continue. Okay, we now have this. Ayan, so this is na-set up na yung account natin, no? So we need to add this tag to our Google account here sa app natin. Here, we need to connect. So let's do that right now. So connect Google account. I'll select yung Pinoy SEO. That's my email. Continue. Select all, no problem. Continue. Ayan. So, as you can see here, you have the Pinoy SEO account here, Google account natin. Let's connect that. By the way, ito, aside from your Google Analytics, sige, let's disconnect muna. Let's create a new one. Iba pala yung account na yon. Okay, let's transfer the domain. Okay, we're good with this. Refund policy, confirm that you've added. Okay, di pa pala natin na ano yung refund. So let's just use muna a template right now. Sige, let's publish that. Contact information din. Okay, we're now good with this. Let's close with this one. Google. Let's set up ito na. Let's do templates lang muna. Enable all of them, shopping or shipping policy. Ayan. So ito, confirm. Yes. Agree. Yes, agree tayo. Agree to that. And then, right now, connect natin yung analytics, yung na-create natin kanina. So in here, let's check. Wait. Wala si Lume. Sige, well, sino? Bago pa kasi siya na-create. Let's refresh. Google Ads. Analytics dito. Active. So, let's connect. Let's see if we have the Lume now. Ayan. Dito na si Lume. Let's connect that. Okay, yes, confirming. Ito yung G tags natin, yung Google tag. Okay, complete setup. Ayan. So, how do we know? No, okay na yung analytics natin dito. How do we know if okay na si analytics? No? So, let's refresh here. Pwede mong i-right click view page source ka and then you look for that G tag, no? Or let's check here. So let's Shopify. Okay, how about Google? Let's try. Google site verification. Another way to check, no? Let's try to visit ito and then go sa real time. Real time overview. Let's see. Ayan, nag-1 na dito. So that means na-detect na yung code natin. Naka-detect na siya. So that's good. That means that we have installed properly yung analytics natin. Okay? So right now, what we're going to do is add this sa Search Console naman. No, sa Search Console, google.com/webmaster, punta ka sa Search Console sa baba, and then we will add a new property here. Now, sa new property natin, what we're going to do is select lang ito, copy and paste here sa URL prefix. And let's see, dapat mag-auto-verify siya. Ayan, auto-verify. So that's good. That means that nakakonect na din yung Google Search Console natin.